Well, the sun's out, the rain's holding off, which is great. Coffee van's about to arrive, and 8 Lawrence Street is going to be auctioned off in about 30 minutes. Really looking forward to this one. We've had over 50 inspections, over 14 Section 32s being handed out, a number of repeat inspections and building and pest inspections. All excellent indicators that this should sell this afternoon. Hoping for a great result, we'll see what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming today to the auction of 8 Lawrence Street. I'm happy to open at 500. Does anyone want to buy it for 500? There it is, thank you Peter, at 500,000. We're open and we're away. I'll call for 10 now. 500 the bid with you, sir, calling for 10. 670 I have, confirm your bid for me if you want it. 700, 700 I have. I'm going to call it down 3 times. I cannot accept any late bids or offers. We're on the market, we're unreserved and we're selling at 700,000 to Ross. First, second, for the third and final call for 8 Lawrence Street in Rosebud at 700,000 to Ross. I sell! Sold. Congratulations to Ross at 700,000. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to another successful Rain and Horn auction.
Fantastic. The result was a lot more than I thought it would be. Like when I first looked around, the house's prices fluctuated so much I wasn't sure what was going to happen. So to get this result, just brilliant.
What a mind-blowing result. It started at 500 and it ran itself all the way up to 700,000. The market is in an astonishingly good condition. If you market well, put it in front of buyers who see good value and provide the competition environment of an auction, anything can happen. We've got a vendor that's extremely happy and a purchaser who's got everything that they wanted. Another fantastic auction result. What did you think of Shane as an auctioneer?
He's well above average.